Portable Inhaler Mini Nebulizer Machine Handheld Steam by Mijo is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Handheld design, pocket-size nebulizer, lightweight and compact. Very convenient to carry and use at home, office, on travel or business trip. It is a good helper to treat of upper and lower respiratory diseases. Efficient nebulization, particle size 1-5 Very effective atomization. Drug atomization and normal saline atomization particles are less 5 micron. Low medication residue, minimize medication waste 0.1 milliliter, more efficient in drug delivery. Easy to use, simple one-button operation and easy to use this mist inhaler. Comes with 4 masks for 2 size, 2 for adults, 2 for kids, and 1 mouthpiece, for 2 atomization modes, mask atomization and mouthpiece atomization. 2 power supply, powered by 2xAA batteries, not included, or directly by plug-in adapter with USB cable included. Suitable for all ages, silent atomization of this handheld inhaler, low noise, less than 25 decibels, ideal home inhalation therapy product. Comes with 4 masks, 1 for adults, 1 for kids, suitable for all ages use, kids and adults, men and women. The battery is not included.